Activity 8, Advanced Segmentation. In this, we use image calculator and binary options a little bit further to create new masks for analysis. Next, we want to take it one step further. So we're going to look at creating cytoplasmic masks and also paranuclear masks. So for the cytoplasmic mask, we need to open nuclei.tif within the segmentation folder. Again, we're going to go through a similar setup as we did before. So image, adjust threshold, make sure you're happy with that. Create a binary image. Let's go into process binary and run a watershed function just to separate out any that were joined. And then we're going to save that as mask n. And we're also going to open up mask 3. So if you hadn't saved that already, it is already sitting inside your demo data folder. And what we want to do is take away the nucleus area from within these cells. So again, we're going to use a bit of image calculator, so process, image calculator. And in this case, we want mask 3, and we're going to subtract mask n. Okay, so in this case, we're creating lots of different fried eggs there that, again, we could use, redirect back to whatever image we want to analyze, and in this case, we're looking just at the cytoplasm, not at what's in the nucleus. You could also use the nuclear mask for looking at intensities just in the nucleus. So this is a very good way of doing your ratio between nuclear and cytoplasmic stains. While we have the mask n open, if this ever happens, just go back to threshold, reset. Okay, what we want to do here is create a paranuclear mask, so measure just the intensities on the edge of these objects. So in this case, I'm going to duplicate these images again. And we're going to rename them. So let's rename one dilate. And we're going to rename the other one erode. And type. And you'll never guess what we're going to do with these. Okay, so for dilate, we're going to go to process, binary, dilate. Now if we got our binary settings correct, that will have added one line of pixels around the outside of our object. And then the other, we're going to erode. So process, binary, erode. In this case, again, if our settings are right, it will remove one line of pixels around. And then in this case, we're going to again do a bit of mathematics. So image calculator, we want to take the dilate and subtract the erode. And that gives us lots of little donuts that we can use for analyzing around the outside of structures. In this case, the nucleus, but it could be the cell surface or something like that.